To another video of me trying those games so you don't have to. And right now we got what is this game? You just tap and hold. It's a train game. So this is the ad. Ooh, this is going to be a boring video. See, upgrade trains. Oh, we have 2 trains now. Upgrade lines. Oh, we have more lines. And this time when it takes us to the App Store, after clicking too much, we'll do something with it. See, there we go. Subway Idol. Check out the reviews. 3.8 stars. Probably going to be ads. This thing is so fun because it has lots of nice buildings like Big Ben. The game concept seems fun. Where'd it go? It disappeared. Oh no, there it is. But it has some major downsides. First of all, the subscription system, the bad scheme, and you watch more ads than you're actually playing. It's not fun to spend 20 seconds in game. Okay, that's fair. So yeah, let's check it out. It's like a rip-off of Adult Swim. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, I thought I had to pay to play. Nope. That's it? Is that really it? You get 1 cash. Metros. Upgrade. Okay. So, this is it? Sorry, this is a really boring video. Claim. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of ads. I wish I could turn off Wi-Fi and still record. Oh. Stations. Metros. Yeah, basically you just click the whole time. What's that? That's pretty cool. I don't want to watch your ad. Oh, cool. Building. I just need some money. We'll be all good. Oh, I can upgrade the speed. Oh, that really did something. It's not too bad. I haven't seen a single ad. What is that? Level up. 150. It's not bad. Track speed. What is that? Major. No, I don't want to go there. Why would I want to go in New York City? What is that? Claim. So, should I add another track? It's not really doing much for me. What? What happened? Only people with a lizard brain can finish this level. Well, I'm not a lizard. Watch, I'm gonna swipe it and it's take me to the App Store. Yep. Organ line. It's not too bad actually, it's pretty cool. It's giving me a lot of money. What is that? Claim. What do I use gems for? I'll take it. So only 1 ad so far, and I've been playing for 2 minutes. I'm recording, right? Okay, good. Price times 3. I'll upgrade that and upgrade that. Why not? Oh, look. Statue of Liberty on land. That makes sense. Totally not on Ellis Island. Why would anyone put... Wow. Oh, nope. That makes sense. 3 trees turn into a big tree. Big trees turn into a vine. Bushes turn into flowers. Flowers turn into more flowers. And that somehow turns into stone. That just looks wrong. Cool. Well, y'all have to sit through 3 more minutes of this. That's it. Heck, I'm gonna watch an ad for it. This is great quality. Is this 4K? Wow. I kind of want to try that out. Leave a like if you want me to do this for the next video. See, look, I'm going to swipe it, but it's going to take me to the App Store. Swipe. Yep. So, let's sit through 5 more seconds of this. Ah, there's the X. Well, I'll just take that money this time. I don't... You got metros for days. Oh, 80, that's a lot. What? Claim. Take it. I mean, this game isn't terrible. How long have we been playing? We've been playing about 5 minutes, I guess. 6 minutes, something like that. We've had 2 ads. What is this? Is it, do I just click it? 8 seconds. Holy crap. Oh. Kinda wanna do that again. Wait. That's pretty cool, actually. See, this game is actually kind of fun. I'm gonna play until the next ad, I guess. Golden Metro. Yay. We're gonna... Cue Sonic the Hedgehog music. Cancel. I don't wanna... They're like, review me. I haven't even played you for 10 minutes. Any more? Oh. Yeah, well, alright. Thank you for watching the video. And one day when I'm rich and famous, I'll remember you. Well, alright. As soon as this adds up. Oh, nope, never mind. Let's do that one next. See you later.